Hello everyone! I'm thinking of bringing my dog for a walk in the forest by my house, but I'm kind of worried because I never really handled 4 dogs before. See if I'm capable of handling all my 4 dogs together in the forest, which is a few steps from my house. Maybe I can handle them? Let's try. Are you happy, my boy? Are you happy? Hey? Come, let's go home. Alright. Okay, Ren coming. Handling 5 dogs at the same time. What do I think? Well, it's pretty amazing. Andy and Snowy, they like to run ahead. Oh my god! Everyone waiting to go back. All inside, go. Where's Snowy now? Come, Snowy, come. Go in. Good girls. All of them, they're here. Yay! Andy, good girl. How's the walk? And how's the walk? How's the walk, babies? Happy or not? Eh, Snowy, very tired, man. Yay! Ah, 噶了，坐出去噶了。哈。